We redid a master shower room, which was actually redone because I made a bad design choice a few years ago. So we redid the shower and the floor, and we are really happy with the choice that we made for the tile and the workmanship. I pretty much had decided on finishes for what we wanted to do, and Golden View was very receptive to the ideas. They literally were here every single day getting the work accomplished, and they did a great job. They were neat, they were tidy, they were respectful of our home. We have used many contractors over the years. The one contractor that I would have used has retired, so Golden View has now replaced the only contractor category that I would work with. We just love their efficiency, their friendliness, their skills and craftsmanship. I would, in a heartbeat, do another job with Golden View and certainly would recommend them.